Hello everyone, Miss Howell here with the You Teach It Math Study Guide. Today we will be going over fractions. I'll give you 3 seconds to get your paper and pencil. Also, we will be going over page 23 in the study guide. I'll wipe that off a little bit better for you. And I can remember in school when we were working on fractions, we used to work going vertical, up and down. I found once I got in, I'll say 5th or 6th grade, I felt that it was easier to learn it and teach it horizontally. So that's going to be what we do today. We're going to work on fractions horizontally. And we're going to use what we know when dealing with multiplication facts. All right. So we're going to first work with fractions that have like denominators. If a fraction has like denominators, it's the easiest thing to do because we have 2, 5, 2 over 5, 1 over 5. The denominators are the same. So it's too easy. You simply bring the denominators over. And you do whatever it tells you to do with the numerators. There's a 2 and there's a 1. So it's 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Too easy. The denominators are the same. It's too easy. Let's do the same thing if we were subtracting with like denominators. Again, they're the same. So you simply bring them over and you do what it tells you to do with the numerators. 2 minus 1. So you simply subtract. 2 minus 1 is 1. Bring over the denominators, which is 5. They're the same, so it's too easy. Again, if you were adding, bring over the denominators. They're the same, and you simply add the numerators. Now, let's say that the denominators are not the same. And since we're going to go with what we have in the book, I will go to page 24 to use, let's go to page 25 in the book. 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3, or 1/2 plus 1/3. The denominators are not the same. So I'm going to show you an easy trick. And if you notice, I didn't do the way that they showed us in school this way, because then we're thinking, oh my goodness, what 2 numbers or whatever it may be. I like to do it this way because it's easier. You simply take the denominator from each of the fractions and you multiply them as whole fractions with the other fraction. So since 3 is the denominator for this problem, we're going to simply bring the 3 here, and we're going to bring the 3 here. Because once you multiply 2 and 3, it's giving you a common denominator. So you don't have to wreck your brain, just simply bring the 3's here. Same thing for the 2. Use the 2 as the denominator here for this side. All right. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. So guess what? We went from having opposite or different denominators with 1/2 and 1/3, And by doing it that way, our denominators are now the same. They're like denominators, and we do exactly what we did up here. Simple, simple, simple. Bring over the denominators because they're now the same. And you simply do what it tells you to do with the numerators. 3 plus 2 is 5. Again, if it was subtraction, it'll be exactly the same. We want to ensure that the denominators are the same. So again, and remember, we use the 3 here. Use it as a whole fraction. We use the 2 here. Use it as a whole fraction to change that denominator. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Minus 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. They're the same. 1 over 6. Fairly easy lesson today, huh? Thanks for listening. I'm Miss Howell. Like, share, and comment. Have a great day.